HEAT is the Hubbell Emergency Action Team, a volunteer group of customer service account specialists in Centralia, Missouri, committed to restoring power after a storm hits.
I became a member because the opportunity to help with storms and hurricanes and get things out to customers when they really need it was intriguing to me. I wanted to be a part of that.
It was something bigger, right? And it was something that was helping communities in need and just learning more.
HEAT is a team preparing and planning.
Whenever customer service is notified of a storm order, a member of the HEAT team alerts load planning, and that load planner will release all of the allocated material into a shipment to be picked and packed so that we can get it on the road to get the customer back up and going.
HEAT is on call 24/7 to process orders and make sure power is restored as quickly as possible.
We are ready 24/7. There's always someone to help out. We are dedicated to get the material to the customer as quickly as possible to get their power back on.
HEAT is people helping people.
There was one time that we had a customer in California that had no power because there was an emergency outage. So we had to get the order on the system, call in a carrier, and get shipping to come in on their day off so that we could have this material picked up and delivered to the customer in California.
Please reach out to Hubbell's Emergency Action Team at 1573-682-5521 for more information.